Thank you. Can I get one of my bags?
You got a bag, right?
Yeah. All right, Anime Impulse. Here we go. All right, guys. Time's about 6:30. This is day 1, Saturday of Anime Impulse. I'm at the La Quinta right now, trying to get to the gym because they have breakfast from 7 to 9. So, gotta get a workout in and then hit the con. Alright, so why is Impulse different?
Impulse is different because you have usually 3 different events happening during it.
Yeah.
You have Anime Impulse, like here, and then over here would be BlushCon, and surrounding it all would be some Asian festival.
Okay, so it's about 10:30. We're still getting ready. There's the roomies over here. Patient people. See you guys at the con. Cool thing is they have a tram service that can take you to the con down there. Okay, so it's like my first time here. So there's a line over here. It's like $11 for a day. So I got my badge early, so I just scanned right here and I walked through. So because this is the Asian American Festival, you gotta go through this part first, which is the outside. Then you gotta go inside this building to go to the Anime Impulse. Here we go. So now we're inside Anime Impulse. One part of the whole Asian American Festival. I think that's what it's called. I didn't see this. They had like these cute little lounge area, the donut sloth, Impulse logo, pillow, dinosaur. I think this is. And so now that we're all settled in over there, I have my wristband, it's VIP area, and I know where they are. I'm gonna see what this place holds for us. Okay. Okay, what's up? So you've been here twice already, right?
Yeah, this is my 2nd year.
What's your favorite thing about Anime Impulse?
The fact that there's 3 cons going on at once.
Yeah.
And the food at one of the Asian Expo thing going on.
Yeah, I saw the food.
The food, yeah.
Beats the food trucks?
Yeah, definitely. Beats the food
All right, thank you. I was like, this is really cool. They have this setup right here for Ghibli tribute. So you can just hang out and take a picture right here. So that's really neat. All right, I have found Annie and she. And we're matching. It's really cool. Alright, so right now we're just hanging out here. There's cars out there if you guys can see it. But right now I think I'm just hanging out with my friends and they're gonna go get ready for a fashion show. So I'm gonna go get that for you guys and we'll see what they have. So I'm right here waiting. There's a big crowd behind me. Everyone can see it. Hello? Alright, I'm super vibing with this fashion show. But the main attraction is here. My friends are going up. That was pretty fun. I liked it a lot. You guys look so good! Yeah. Alright, okay. So I'm here with these two guests right here. You guys probably know them already. But if not, what's your name?
For Showtime, Show Emerson, Funimation.
Okay, for sure. Alright, and then this is your first time guesting. How does that feel?
It feels fantastic and fulfilling, in the words of you, actually. You just mentioned that. So all the work that we had put into it led up to this day, and we're able to meet all the people that have supported us. So it feels great just to be able to stand here and people be like, oh, can I get a photo? And it feels like our work has definitely paid off as much as possible. So it's awesome. Yeah.
I'm really happy. What about you?
Yeah, definitely. Like, it feels really good having people coming up and, you know, appreciating our work and stuff like that. But, you know, I still feel weird and awkward when people come up because I'm not used to having attention. But, like, you know, I'm taking all this really good feedback, and then, like, that actually helps me, you know, propel and work harder for, like, you know, for you guys, you know, for the fans. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I love it. I love it, guys. Yeah, keep it up. We'll support these guys around.
Alright, so far so good. This con, I like it. The weather's good. People are here good. It's very condensed, so you'll run into a lot of your friends. And I'm really happy that a lot of my friends that are new in the community are now guesting. So that's really cool. I came out here to support them. So I'm happy for them, and we're gonna hang out tonight. But we're just gonna grab some food right now, whatever's left of the food truck. So here at the con, it's 6:30. Just still walking around. The food area is bigger than I expected, so I'm gonna come back tomorrow and get that for you guys. I'm gonna call day one end here. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So that was the legit closing of Anime Impulse Day 1. Alright, it's about 10:50, so we've got enough time to get ready and check out the hotel room. This is Sunday, day 2 of Anime Impulse. We're gonna see what's left of this con. Check out Yuna and Sonic, their meet and greet. Alright, we'll catch you guys there. Bye. So if you come down to Impulse, most likely you park here and then you'll take the tram right there to the con. Today's the last day, but there's still a lot of people. It's super dark though. Let me adjust for you guys. Okay, last day. Try to get something for you guys.
Record this?
Yeah, no, we're just trying to be cool with our camera, like, and do like cool transitions. But I'll get you guys. You guys can tell us if it's cool.
Go.
All right, so I just bought this flannel. For sure, man. I just bought this flannel because it's SSSS Gridman. Check that show out. It's good. Yep, and then I'm gonna go shoot with Soju Beats right now. Do some passion work. I'll catch you guys later. Okay. Oh man, those photos look super lit. Check this guy out. His handle's gonna be right here. All right.
No! With my food, no!
Come on, Mom!
I can't do it with the...
Yo. Check out Jackie's mom. Okay, more guests. Oh, what's up? I remember you're hold on. Y'all need to give my boy right here, Naruto, CJ.
What's up, guys?
Okay, you guys step into this. It's like super overexposed. Like,
Wait. Are you guys giving monsters for free?
Yeah.
that's super dope. Thank you guys so much. I'll take that normal. Chilling right now. Taking a break. Last day. Might as well get in. I was gonna get a photo bomb by Kirishima. Okay. But its overall vibe is pretty good. I like it. It's very homey, and that probably doesn't mean anything to me, but if you guys are here, you'll know what I'm talking about. Like I said earlier, the word chill has been used a lot. So that's really cool. I really like it.
My grid sometimes on my grid
Yeah, it's hotter today than it should be. I was hoping it'd be like last week because this outfit doesn't breathe. So.
Oh, Jesus.
I don't wanna tell you, I know if you care. Repeating my mind, rolling around.
Okay, so I came out to the bridge, which are these areas. That's where most people do their photo shoots, in case you're wondering, or in case you want photos. That's right there. So I'm actually out here because I was supposed to meet with my friend Rem. But, of course, at a con, it's super hard to run into people. So, couldn't find him, but I'm gonna go to my friend's meet and greet right now.
But baby, I do.
So I found him after all.
What is Anime Impulse to you?
It's a homie con!
Are you excited to meet them?
Hell fucking yeah! Oh, yeah. I can't really say the curse word. Hell hecking yeah!
We waited in line. There's like a long line, like right behind me. Everyone's waiting to come see Fetch and Soul.
Todoroki!
Wow, how did we get to meet you guys?
I love you!
Oh, I love you!
Brother!
Yes! Blood brother! Wait, actually?
I don't wanna tell you, I know if you care. Repeating
Okay. How's it feel to be a guest?
Super happy.
It's so exciting! I'm so happy!
Yeah,
I didn't think anyone would come.
Yeah!
Yeah.
No, look at the line.
Yeah, that's why.
Ooh, oh my god. I'm so happy for you guys.
Feel blessed.
Random section of other people.
Yeah, no, it's a really good mixture. I really, really like this con. It's really good. Yeah. Everyone's like, no rush to go anywhere. Food's like always available. That's super cool.
You had a matcha.
No, I haven't. Is that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's kind of melted now.
Let me see. done with Anime Impulse. Overall, it's really good. You guys can see the vibe right here. Everyone's just hanging out. Had a really good time. I'm gonna try to figure out dinner plans, which is gonna be hard because everyone knows each other. So good luck to me, but thank you guys for hanging out. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.